Hello, welcome back to the AI Tech Evolution channel. Today, we will explore how to enhance the efficiency of your business with the help of AI text-to-speech tools and why text-to-speech is a practical and beneficial tool. In one of my blog posts, I shared my first experience with AI tools, specifically with text-to-speech (TTS) software. On the blog, you can hear how I applied TTS in my work. In this video, I want to delve deeper into the benefits of text-to-speech software to help you understand the value you gain from using such tools. One aspect that excited me about text-to-speech software was its ability to generate content in multiple languages beyond English, making it ideal for affiliate marketers and other business professionals who aim to expand their reach in different markets. AI text-to-speech (TTS) tools utilize advanced machine learning algorithms to convert text into intelligible speech. AI text-to-speech (TTS) tools employ sophisticated machine learning algorithms to transform text into natural-sounding speech. These cutting-edge algorithms enable the conversion of written content into audio speech, replicating the intonation and nuances of human voices. Benefits of TTS technology. Text-to-speech (TTS) technology has evolved rapidly in recent years, offering a wide range of benefits for businesses and individuals. In this segment, we will explore some key advantages of TTS technology. Creating multilingual content. One of the primary advantages of TTS technology is its ability to generate content in multiple languages. This is particularly useful for companies operating in global markets, where multilingual content is essential for customer interaction and expanding their reach. Time-saving potential. TTS technology can save valuable time for busy professionals who need to create large volumes of content. Instead of spending hours recording audio or hiring voice actors, TTS technology can quickly generate high-quality audio output within minutes. Additionally, TTS technology can be a cost-effective solution for companies that need to create audio content regularly. Instead of hiring voice actors, TTS technology can generate high-quality audio output at a lower cost. Accessibility for the visually impaired. TTS technology can also enhance accessibility for individuals with visual impairments. By converting text into speech, TTS technology can provide a more inclusive experience for those struggling with reading printed materials. Various use cases. TTS technology can be applied in various contexts, including the creation of audiobooks, podcasts, and training materials. Audiobooks and podcasts, for example, have gained popularity in recent years, and TTS technology can assist authors and content creators in producing their works more easily in audio format. Therefore, TTS technology offers many benefits for companies and individuals looking to quickly and efficiently create high-quality audio content. From multilingual content creation to accessibility and cost-effectiveness, TTS technology is a versatile tool with numerous use cases. While there are many text-to-speech software options available on the market, today we will focus on one of the most interesting TTS tools we recently explored, Murf AI. Murf AI is an advanced TTS tool that combines deep learning and natural speech, providing incredibly realistic sound and intonation. It utilizes advanced generative neural network models to create natural speech that sounds nearly identical to a human voice. When it comes to business, using Murf AI can offer significant advantages. Here are a few key benefits. Time saving. Murf AI can automatically convert large amounts of text into speech, saving you time and effort that would otherwise be spent on manual reading or audio recording. Improved accessibility. By transforming text into speech, Murf AI can enhance the accessibility of your content for individuals with visual or reading difficulties. Voice personalization. Murf AI allows for customizing the sound and intonation of the voice to match your needs, enabling you to create an authentic and recognizable identity for your branding. Moreover, Murf AI offers a feature that most others lack but is highly significant: the ability to clone voices. Therefore, with collaboration with the Murf AI team, you can clone and adjust your unique voice for your brand. With additional post-production, you can achieve a fantastic voice without spending hours and money on recording or hiring voice actors, thus saving time and money throughout the process. You can hear the previews and compare the original voice provided by the software with our subsequent post-production. If you want to learn more about Murf AI, I invite you to read the full review on our blog, which provides detailed information and usage examples. You can find the link to the blog post Murf AI review. Discover why you no longer need a microphone in the description of this video. In today's digital age, AI text-to-speech tools like Murf AI can bring significant benefits to your business. Harness the power of technology and enhance the efficiency of your operations with text-to-speech tools like Murf AI. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on AI technologies. See you next time.